Welcome to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. This beautiful MILA floor plan is almost 3,000 square feet. It boasts 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths, a beautiful private backyard with a nice screened-in back porch. This home is on red tag special. What does that mean for you? D.R. Horton is paying up to $7,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. Plus, they are giving you an extra $7,000 to use your way. You can use that extra money towards blinds throughout the house, a stainless steel refrigerator, a washer, dryer, a DEAKO package, or you can even add gutters to your house. Don't miss this red tag sale. It's my favorite time of year. Don't forget, D.R. Horton is also paying for your interest rate buy down. The interest rates are as low as 4.75. That saves you a ton of money on your monthly note. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Now this home qualifies for USDA financing. So if you're a qualified buyer, you could get 100% financing on this home. It's also a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing. You don't want to miss the red tag sale deals. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Frankie Wink 3600. One of my favorite features of this home is the private backyard and the nice screened-in back porch. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Frankie Wink 3600.